Alright, so starting a successful small business online doesn't have to be complicated. Now here is a step-by-step guide on exactly how you can start your small business online and make a lot of money. Alright, so now let me quickly break it down on exactly what I'll be showing you to this video. Okay, now the very first thing is actually picking the right business model. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to pick the right business model and how to know exactly if this your idea or this your business model is going to fly. And of course, how to actually create your online presence. So how do you present your business online? All right. Now, the next step is I'll be showing you exactly how to find and attract customers. I'm also going to be showing you exactly how to monetize and also scale your business, right? Because if you start your business as a small business online, so you get to some point where you have to scale your business, you have to employ people have to start working for you. But how exactly do you actually scale to the point that to be profitable, while the money will be flowing in and you enjoy the money and have some people working for you? All right. So the very first step is actually choosing your business idea. So the truth about starting business online is not all online business are actually created equal. There are some online business models that literally require a lot of money for you to start, and there are some that literally require no money or maybe little capital to start. So how exactly do you know the kind of business model that literally requires small money? All right, so I'm going to be giving about 4 business ideas you can literally start. The very first one on our list is affiliate marketing. Now, this is a way of you actually making money by partnering with people and recommending their product online. Now, starting an affiliate marketing business on the neutral ground, you don't actually need money to start. The only way you need money to start an affiliate marketing business is if you need someone to actually put you through, an expert, someone who is making money already from affiliate marketing. You want this person to sit you down and explain the whole business model to you and how you can start. Now, you want this person to hand over his blueprint to you, then the person will have to charge you for some money, right? So this is when you literally need money to actually do affiliate marketing. If not, you don't need money to start an affiliate marketing business. So the second business model on our list is dropshipping. Now, this is when you sell product without inventory. So explaining this dropshipping in practical step, let's use this pen to do example, right? So let's say you saw this pen on Alibaba or on Amazon, and maybe it's being sold for $2, right? And it's a very beautiful pen, and people would like to buy it, right? So what you can do is you can create a website. You can download the picture from Amazon or Alibaba, and you come on your website, you list that product on your website. Then instead of calling it for like $2, you can call it for $10, right? So when people buy this product, then you can take their address, go to the original website that listed the product and buy it for that price and send it to their address. So you take the profit. But the problem about dropshipping is you need some money upfront to create this website to actually run ads, because creating a website is not enough. You need to run Google ad, YouTube ad, Facebook ad, Instagram ads, and you need money to do all this, right? So starting a dropshipping business will require you to have some money upfront. So the third business idea you can start is freelancing. Now, this is a way of you offering your services to people. This can be about content writing, graphic design, video editing, or programming, right? So it's all about what you know, what you can actually do for people as a service, and they'll pay you for doing that. And most times, if you need money to start a freelancing business, basically maybe the money you need to actually learn the skill, right? Let's say you want to learn video editing now, so maybe that is all you need. So starting a freelancing business, most times it's actually free. You don't need to spend money. All right, so the fourth business idea I think you can start is selling digital product. Let's say you are very good in programming. There are people who want to learn coding and all that, right? You can create an ebook or a digital course and sell them to people who literally want to learn coding and programming. So after picking your business idea, the second step is actually trying to validate your business idea. Try to know if your idea will fly. Are people who are already on this field, are they making money, right? So what you want to do is actually checking for people who are searching for your product or the business you want to start, right? Search online if people are looking for programmers, if people are looking for video editors, right? So before you even start to launch your business, you have to validate your business idea. You can also look at your competitors. Are they making money? If they're making money already, then it's a very profitable business idea, and you're going to make money if you get into the field. The other step to validate your idea is actually joining online communities like on Reddit, on Facebook, and see what people are talking about and what people are actually asking about your own product or your own niche or your own business idea. Now, this way you already know the kind of questions to address in your product or in your service, right, to make it more attractive and even beat your competitors. So after validating your idea and you've confirmed that your business idea is profitable, The next thing is actually creating your presence online. So how you can do this, actually buying a domain, create a website, and also creating a social media channels like on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, on TikTok. So the fourth step to setting up a profitable online business that will be successful is actually finding and attracting customers. So how exactly do you do this? So the first step to doing this is through SEO, search engine optimization, and also through content marketing. You can create content about your product or about something similar to your product. At the end of your content, you can ask people to buy your product or pay for your service, right? So you can do this through content marketing or search engine optimization. You can also do this through paid ads. If you don't have time to create content or you're a shy person, you cannot stand in front of the camera to create content always, or you're a busy person. So what you can do is using paid ads like Facebook ad, YouTube ad, Instagram ad, TikTok ads to literally promote your product or your service. Now, the final step is actually how do you monetize and scale. So at this junction, your product is already online. You probably start having one or two clients. So how exactly do you monetize it through multiple stream, right? Now, the very first step is this. Let's say you are selling an affiliate marketing product right now. Now, you get to some point where you become an expert in this field, right? So you can literally create a product and teach people how to, run an affiliate marketing business. So this is a way of actually having multiple streams of income through a single business model. So you can create a membership website and subscription. So what this means is you add people to your community, and every single month they'll have to pay you while you give them value. You guide them on exactly how to set up the kind of business you are doing, right? So this is exactly how you can scale. For example, I have a community where people pay me for giving them Forex signals, and they pay every single month. So this is exactly how you scale your small business and make a lot of money online, okay? Now, if you watch this video to this extent, all I ask you to do right now is make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, because every single day I'll be uploading videos on exactly how you can run a successful business online, basically how you can make money online, because I make my money 100% from online and also teach people exactly how they can do the same. All right, so see you on the next one.